Hi, welcome to Glider Fix. My name is Alicia. In today's video, I'll share with you on how to delete Bitmoji on Snapchat. Now, the first thing you have to do is to log into your Snapchat. The next is to click on your profile image. So right here, you're going to see your Bitmoji right here. Your Bitmoji, you can actually change the fashion, you can change the selfie, you can change the signal, you can even change the avatar. Now, if you want to really delete your Bitmoji, this is what you have to do. Go out from this section. Now you head straight to your profile. Click on the key icon at the top right corner. That's your settings icon. Right here, you just have to scroll to the very end. You're going to see Bitmoji. Just click on it. So from here, you're going to see change my outfits, edit my Bitmoji set. So right here, you're going to see an option called unlink my Bitmoji. So when you click on it, it says remove Bitmoji. If you create your old avatar on Snapchat, you will permanently lose your avatar. If you created your avatar on Snapchat, you will permanently lose your avatar and all fashion items saved in my wardrobe if you click on this remove. So when you do that, you automatically delete your Bitmoji from your Snapchat. So guys, that is it on how to delete Bitmoji on Snapchat. If this video was helpful, please do all to ask any related question to this video on the comment section. Thanks for watching.